Good evening, everyone. Last week where we stop, we stop at question 4, right? Page 94. So I continue question 4. So question 4 is a regular polygon with exterior angle 36 degrees, right? You see, like 36 degrees. This one exterior angle. And you need to draw the scar is 1:5. So they give you the actual length is 10 cm. Calculate the perimeter, right? So first thing you want to know is which angle, which polygon got how many angle, how many sides. So exterior angle, they give you 36 degrees, then you need to find the interior, right? Interior. Then how to find interior? Interior is you use the 180 degrees, means that it's the straight line minus 36 degrees. So equal to 144. So you know that inside the interior, you got the 144 on one angle. So what is the polygon is. So you need to find. So the polygon, you use the formula n minus 2 multiply 180, right? So based on this, you try, because you don't know the n is equal to how much, right? So you try one by one, try like 1, 2, 3, 4. So from this case, I just let the n equal to 10. Let the n equal to 10, right? So 10 minus 2 equal to 8, multiply 180 equal to 1444, right? So this one is called also can use the 360 divided by 36. You also can use this formula. Yeah, of course. Then you get the size, right? So this one is you need to assume. So 1440 you divide by this one, 144 equal to 10, right? The side. So you have 10 side and 10 angle. So then you can calculate the ratio, calculate the perimeter. So they give you the actual length size is 10 cm, right? Actual size 10 cm. So you need to find the perimeter, right? Molecular, yeah. So this one 5, right? So this one is 5 is the object, 1 is the image, right? So the image is smaller than actual size, right? So become then you change to this one 1 over KO. You can write like this 1 over 5 1. So one side is 10 cm, right? So you need to find the scaling of the perimeter, the regular polygon, like the decagon. We call decagon 10 side. So you multiply 10. This one you multiply 10. Then you can get 2 cm for the side, right? And then you got 10 sides. You multiply 10 sides. So equal to 10p, right? Correct. So it's 10p. So this is the answer. So you continue the question 5. 3 minutes. Okay, 3 minutes to do. Just now question 4, right? Like you say, you can use the formula to find the size. Use 360 degree divided by the exterior angle. Then you can find the side. How many sides? This one is the simple shortcut. So question 5, A 372. Wow, so big. How many zero? 1, 2, 3, 4. Let me check. Okay. The diagram above shows a scar drawing of a rectangular field, right? The rectangular field is 3 multiplied 6, right? And then the scar used is 1:2000. Calculate the actual area of the field in square meter. Right, in meter square, right? So the first thing you need to do is what? You need to change this one 3 cm become meter. So become meter, you divide by 100, right? So equal 0.03 meter. This one 0.06 meter. Right. So this question give you this one is image, called the image is 1. Then you need to find the actual is 2000, right? So you multiply 2000 for this both sides, right? Multiply 2000. This one also multiply 2k, right? So what you get? 0.06 2000. So this one is 120 meter. And then another one 0.03 multiply 2000. So this one is 60, right? Meter. So you need to find the area. So you multiply these two. So 120 multiply 60. So become the answer is 7200 meter square, right? So make sure you use the correct unit. So everyone can understand, Make sure you multiply 2000 at the side first, the 6 cm and 3 cm first. Now calculate the angle first. Now calculate the image of the area first. Okay. So for part B, 2 hours 24 minutes. Wait, Mr. Danny cut the grass on the field at a rate of 400 square meter in 8 minutes. Calculate the time, right? At the rate. So this one is 400 meters square in 8 minutes, right? So calculate the time in hour and minute. Then Mr. Danny that to cut all the grass on the field, right? So 400 meter in 8 minutes, right? So you divide by 8, right? Become what? 50, right? 50 meters square per second. Means that the speed. So in 1 minute, you can cut 50 meters square. So the actual field, the area is 3700, right? 7,200, right? So 7,200 you divide by 50. Then you can get the answer is 144, right? You use this, divide by this, right? And you get the answer. 144, yeah. Second. So this one is, okay, this one is minute, right? I write wrong, this one is minute. So the answer, this one 144 is minute. So you need to change to hour and minute. So right, so 1 hour equal to 60 minutes. So it's 2 hours, right? 2 hours and what? 2 hours is 120, right? 120, then this one is 24. Yeah, so it's 2 hours and 24 minutes. Correct. Science is correct. Okay. Then it's no problem. We move to the next example. So the diagram below shows triangle P with the star roving of triangle Q with a scar of 1:n. Calculate the value of n. So what is the value of n? So the question given the right angle triangle, right? This one 90 degrees right angle triangle. So and then both sides are same length, right? So formula for the triangle is 1/2 multiply AB, right? So since that these both sides are same, so we let that B equal to A equal to B, right? So I can write it like 1/2 A squared, right? Then you use this formula. The question gives you this 112.5 cm squared, already give you the area of P. So then you can find the side for the length for A. So what is the A, right? So you use 2.5 multiply 2 and then you square root it. Then you will get the answer is 15 cm. Can get the 15 cm or not? Okay. So then you use the same formula for this one, the Q. What is the sign for Q? So this one we let B lah. Just now P is A. Equal to how much? 4.5 multiply 2 square root. Okay. So it's 3 cm, right? So then, what is the value for n? 1:n. So the Lagrange below show triangle P with a scar loving of triangle Q. Right. So means that triangle Q is the object. Triangle P is the image. Right. It's the image. And then so it's 1, 5, right? So ratio is 1n, 1 to n. So n equal to 1. So means that image is bigger, right? So this one is 15 cm, this one is 3, you divide them, then become what? 5, right? If you use 15 divided by 3 is 5. And for this, how you use 1n, right? So this one is object, this one image. So answer is what? So you can write 5 at this, cannot write. Because the object is smaller, right? So you write 1/5. This one 1. So you divide them. So answer is 1/5 for n. So continue question 2. The diagram below show 5 rectangles. Right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So among rectangle 1, 2, 3, 4, which are the square root of rectangle S belong to a certain square? What is the meaning for this question A? So which one? So you type one by one. So this one is 2, right? This one is 3, right? So use the ratio, right? What is the answer for this? This one 1 and 1.5 can or not? Right? Means that 2 cm divided by 2 equal 1, 3 divided by 2 equal 1.5. So this one correct. Right? So this one 3 cm and 5 cm. So this one is wrong. 4 and 6, right? Multiply 2, become 4, become 6, so correct. So question 4 can or not? 2.5 and 4.5. 2.5 divided by 2. 1.25. 4.5 divided by 3. 1.5. Actually, you can check based on this line. Like this example 4.5 and 2.5, right? You use the 4.5 divided by 3, right? 4.5 divided by 3 is equal to 1.5. And then this one, 2.5 divided by 2 is 1.25. Means that 1.5 and 1.25 are not equal. So this one wrong. The same thing for this one. 3 divided by 2 is 1.5. 5 divided by 3 is 1.67. So this one are also no same. So for each answer in A, determine the scar used. Okay. The answer for salahnya for 1:1/2 and 1:2. Right. Scar drawing rectangle S. So this question means that S is the object, right? So and then this one 1, 2, 3, 4 is the image. So for an A, we get the two answer 1 and 3. So you need to find the scar, the ratio, right? So you want to use is ratio 1. So this one is 1. This one 1/2. This one is the based on the formula for 1:n. You also can write like 2, 1. This one long already. For this one, because the right hand side you need to write is right hand side is the object, right? Right hand side is the image, right? This one object, this one image. So this one object bigger than this one image, right? So if I write object is 1, the image this one is smaller, right? So this one is half, right? 1/2. Or you also can write 1:2, right? So for 1. So for the third, this one third one is what? This one. So object is smaller than this one. So this one is bigger. This image is bigger, right? Bigger. So this one become 2, 1. Or divide by 2 become 1/2. Right. So remember this both are this one. So this one is this answer. This answer, right? This one. So then you continue to the C. Calculate the area of this rectangle in cm square for your answer in A. So find the cm, find the area, right? So this one easier, right? Give me the answer. I give you 2-minute break. After you all come back, right? Give me the answer for question C. After I open again, I close 1 minute.